Hello, beautiful people. I hope everybody doing great. Thank you for joining me in this Las Vegas trip. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification. Let me give you a brief explanation about traveling to Las Vegas, Nevada. It is a 4 days business trip. It's about a conference that I have to be attend. And this conference, I'm going there for past 4 years. Basically, it's a convention center that would be held in MGM Hotel. It's called Latino Tax Fest. It is my main focus of my trip. While most people know me as a professional travel consultant, many may not be aware of that I'm also a licensed and certified tax professional. Driving from my place, I estimated that it will take me approximately 3 hours. Welcome to Las Vegas. I have finally arrived at my destination.
It's so hot in Vegas, unbelievable. 110 degree right now, and I feel it. I feel like I'm walking in a microwave. Hot, crazy.
This Las Vegas conference is a massive and fascinating. This event where thousands of tax professionals from various states gather to learn about new tax laws, ideas, and technologies, and meet other excellent professionals in the same time. For those who may not know what is tax pro, a tax pro is a professional who helps individuals or businesses prepare their tax return in each year. They must meet certification requirements set by both the states and federal governments. Today, many private and high-ranking officials from the IRS and government initiative will attend this conference. These individuals include those who work closely with White House in Washington and Congress. I have a meeting scheduled for 12 noon and I am a little early. Well, this gives me plenty of time to prepare without having to rush. Let's find out the location for conventions. The MGM Hotel is quite large, a very huge hotel, and I often find myself unsure of which direction to take to go to the convention. This is a long path to go. I see that there are hundreds of people both sides walking. I believe most of the people here for a reason. Some of them for convention, gambling, shows, concert, or simply to enjoy world-class restaurants here in MGM Hotel. I believe I'm headed in the correct direction. Just to let you know, it's quite a trek from the main lobby to the conference center. It takes about 15 minutes to walk in each direction. Well, still we are inside the hotel, so you can imagine it's incredible how large this hotel is. Finally, I have arrived to obtain my badge ID. I am pleased to see the helpful, friendly staff from Latino Tax. You know, these people are so good and so hardworking people. Every year I come, I never have a problem. These are the wonderful people. I mean, their assistance has been invaluable. And here is my friends and our team. The daily conventions begins at 8 o'clock in the morning and its end at 5 p.m. During lunch break, we can go to the marketplace, would engage with various software vendors like offering tax preparation app, accounting apps, payroll, security apps, all kind. So this marketplace basically for buyers and sellers. So buyers, the people who come here to buy software, and the people who sell it, they have a booth here. And this is the best time to make a deal with these people. You can probably get a great prices. Now is the time for mariachi's band. As you see, they have set it up here, some snacks table. There's a lot of them because there's thousands of people in here. So go ahead, grab your tacos, your nachos, whatever you like. Over there has a bar. You can go buy some drinks, beer, wine, and find a table. Go ahead and sit down and enjoy the mariachi's band. Once the conference finishes each day at 5 p.m., it's wise to return to your room and take a break. Alternatively, you could spend some time rehearsing your salsa moves with your partner so you can flaunt your dancing skill at the upcoming pool party. However, today I am stepping out for a while and I would like to enjoy the vibrant lighting in Vegas.
Well, let me tell you a little something about me. When it's Saturday night, I need to blow off some steam. 1, 2, 3, 4.
The night scenes in Vegas truly amazing. We should take a ride along the famous Vegas Strip, which is known as a Las Vegas Boulevard. It's important to know that Las Vegas is the home of the world's largest and most prominent casinos. Who gonna be the second one? Definitely that gonna be Macau in China. Las Vegas City, it's never sleep. It's operating 24/7. Endless entertainment options such as shows, concerts, dining, and adult parties are available all day, all night long.
Got to blow off some steam for blow up. I got to blow off some steam for blow up. I've been holding it in through the whole work week. Now it's Saturday night and I'm about to blow. So come on down, man, if you play me none of them slow songs. I need boots.
The long-waiting pool party has finally here, and some guests are eager to jump into the pool. Some are already in the pool, and some others are content to socialize. There are several pool bars I'm looking around, stocked with unlimited alcoholic beverage such as beer, wine, and lots of margaritas. These pool bars, they have a two-way you can get your drinks, either free or you have to pay for it. My friend Jennifer gave me some drinks tickets, so I won't have to purchase any cocktail or any beer or wine. I can get any drinks with these tickets. Without this ticket, a single cocktail could start from $16 or more, and a bottle of beer was an outrageous $12. And don't forget, this is MGM 5-star Hotels in Vegas, one of the largest hotel in Vegas. And food and drinks and anything you're buying here is not that cheap. However, if you are feeling hungry in this moment, there are free snack bars located throughout this pool where you can grab and buy to eat.
To dance. El mundo te daré. Si te quedas conmigo yo haré. La girl, you know. Set on fire, tú eres la presión. Me gusta verte como mueve el booty. Parece que vienes con mala intención. La girl, you know. Set on fire, tú eres la presión. Me gusta verte como mueve el booty. Parece que vienes con mala intención.
Move your body like, shake your body like, move your body like, shake your body like, move your body like, shake your body like, move your body like, shake your body like.
Dale mami baila, estás bien rica mami baila. Estás bien rica mami baila. Estás bien rica mami baila. Uy, dale baila quien baila. Estás bien rica mami baila. Dale bien exótica como fuera de Island. Dale mami baila, si no le gusta baila. You know a quien baila. Estás bien rica mami baila. Dale bien exótica como fuera de Island. Dale mami baila, si no le gusta baila. You baila, que estás bien rica mami baila. Que estás bien rica mami baila. Está...
Ya tú sabes, hey, ¿por qué?
Yeah, sigue con el revolú. Sigue con el revolú.
Súbete, 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 súbete para arriba, súbete, 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 súbete para arriba, súbete, 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 súbete.
This video is about to be end. I hope you enjoy the video. If you found it enjoyable, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you for watching.